This is how air traffic control and pilots communicate.
Delivery, good morning, Eurowings 52 Papa.
Eurowings 52 Papa, delivery, pass your message.
Yes, thank you.
Eurowings 52 Papa, delivery, pass your message.
Yes, sir, yeah, so we are fully ready, please send a ready message for us.
Eurowings 52 Papa, ready message sent. If you don't hear anything, call for start at time 17.
Shuttle 3 Papa, taxi please.
Shuttle 3 Papa, taxi holding point Foxtrot 1, hold short, runway 23 right.
Holding point Foxtrot 1, hold short, runway 23 right, Shuttle 3 Papa.
Emirates 6 Alpha Quebec, stand 12, push approved.
Push approved, Emirates 6 Alpha Quebec.
Shuttle 3 Papa, hold short, runway 23 right, contact tower 118.630.